Welcome to Casual Comfort Channel. Italy in the spring is cobblestone streets, blooming wisteria, gelato in hand, and that undeniable romance in the air. But let's be real, packing for Italy isn't just about throwing pretty clothes into a suitcase. It's about curating that effortless bella figura, a style that whispers elegance, embraces comfort, and turns every stroll through Rome or Venice into a fashion moment. Whether you're sipping espresso in Milan or catching sunsets on the Amalfi Coast, this video is your ultimate what to wear in Italy guide for spring 2025. From breezy dresses to fashion-forward flats, we're covering it all. Let's turn that dreamy Italian getaway into a stylish reality every single day. Light layers and classic neutrals. Italy in the spring is a mild mix, sunny days, cool mornings, and the occasional drizzle. Your wardrobe should be as versatile as the weather. Think light trench coats in taupe or cream layered over a crisp white button-up and high-waisted beige trousers. Pair with a silk scarf tied around the neck or through your hair, extra style points and just enough warmth. Footwear? Always stylish and practical. Leather loafers or white sneakers with a fashion edge are perfect for those 20,000 step days. And don't forget sunglasses. Italian cities are as bright as they are beautiful. Midi dresses and flowy fabrics. No trip to Italy is complete without that perfect midi dress. Spring 2025 is leaning into feminine silhouettes and romantic details. Picture this, a flowy floral or striped midi dress with a smocked bodice or puff sleeves, paired with espadrille wedges or sleek ballet flats. Look for dresses in soft pastels, sage green, baby blue, and blush, or earthy tones like terracotta and mustard. They look stunning against old-world architecture and coastal views alike. Toss on a lightweight cardigan or cropped blazer when the temperature dips, and you're ready for anything from pasta lunches to museum tours. Co-ord set polished and packable. Here's a travel hack the Italians would definitely approve of: Co-ord sets. Matching tops and bottoms in breathable linen, soft cotton, or ribbed knits are packing and styling gold. They create a polished look with minimal effort and can be easily mixed and matched. For spring 2025, opt for co-ords in soft oatmeals, sky blue stripes, or even bold scenic prints. A cropped button-up shirt with wide leg pants? Bellissima! Not only does this combo scream put together, but it also keeps you cool and comfortable through long travel days. If you're loving these Italian spring style tips, take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if it's giving you packing inspiration, and drop a comment below. What city in Italy are you dreaming of visiting this spring? Florence? Venice? Somewhere off the beaten path? I'd love to hear it. Elevated denim and knits. You can wear denim in Italy, but make it fashion. Trade the old jeans for something elevated: dark wash straight leg denim, high-waisted white jeans, or a denim midi skirt. Pair it with a lightweight knit or a structured blouse and finish with a woven leather belt. A knit tank with a cropped jacket and relaxed denim? It's casual, yes, but still sophisticated. This is the look you want for exploring markets in Bologna or hopping between gelato shops in Florence. Add a canvas tote and your favorite sunnies and you're sightseeing in style. Evening elegance. Italian evenings call for a bit of glam, but never overdone. A satin slip skirt paired with a fitted top and a cropped blazer is effortlessly elegant. Or go bold with a scenic print maxi dress, something with lemons, coastal landscapes, or painterly florals. Jewelry should be minimal but striking: gold hoops, a layered necklace, or a single statement ring. Slide into block-heeled sandals or chic mules, and throw a silk wrap in your bag for those cooler breezes as the sun goes down. Whether you're sipping vino in a vineyard or dining under string lights, you'll look and feel like La Dolce Vita. So there you have it, your ultimate spring 2025 outfit guide for Italy. From timeless trench coats to dreamy dresses and chic co-ord sets, every look is designed to help you blend into the magic of Italy while standing out with effortless style. Whether you're chasing sunsets in Cinque Terre, wandering the streets of Florence, or riding a Vespa through Rome, remember, comfort and elegance are the keys. If this video helped you plan your outfits, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow travel lovers. And tell me in the comments, what's the one piece you have to pack for an Italian spring adventure?